He said you could probably avoid it. Hey, Mark. I know you said on 130.
You'll get better at it.
This is my Uber driver right here.
Hit me up for a ride. $100.
Sheesh. I don't know about that part. What we finna eat?
That's all you fucking think about.
Is that all you think about?
Ew,
Is that all you
get
think
me
about?
off the camera. I'm looking.
That's what you look like. That's you. Yeah, that's you.
Ew.
You got cookies?
Jermaine? Yeah. Here you go. Thank you.
Whoa.
Cuckoo.
That's a big bag. No. That's mine. All right, new sandwich. Throw some of this honey on it. Throw that honey on there.
Okay.
Let's see what Chick-fil-A talking about.
Barbecue. Barbecue.
Alright. Nothing too crazy. That gave me time to go